Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. My name is Brent, and in today's video we're going to go ahead and go over how to add data packs to your Minecraft world in single player and on Minecraft SMPs, Minecraft servers. In our last video we went over how to set up your very own free Minecraft server on 1.18.2 on paper. So this video is going to go ahead and go over how to install data packs on your single player world, but also your very own Minecraft server. So with that said, if you guys are brand new here to the channel, definitely go down below, hit the red button to subscribe, make it gray, hit the bell to be notified every time I release a brand new video, and of course give this video a thumbs up, make it blue. I stream here on YouTube every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So at 10 p.m. Pacific time, I go ahead and stream Minecraft related content, so come check it out. Okay, with that said, let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, we're going to go ahead and hit on 4 different areas here. Number 1, locate the data pack you want to install on your Minecraft world or Minecraft server. Number 2, we're going to be adding the data pack to the single player world and kind of showcasing how this data pack is going to affect the single player world. Number 3, how to add the data pack to existing Minecraft worlds. And number 4, how to add data packs to your Minecraft server. So if you're playing with friends, other players out in the world, then you guys could all experience these data packs together. So in order to go ahead and get this started, I've already located the data pack. We're going to go ahead and begin adding it to our single player world. Now for this, what I suggest here is bringing up your Minecraft client itself, selecting single player, go to create your world, go ahead and go into your data packs. Now here you have the option to open a data pack folder. Go ahead and select that. Now you're going to have this folder that pops up on your screen when you do this. Now here's what popped up for me. So at this point I'm going to go ahead and copy the location, then head back over to the data pack website you're looking to download from. Select download the data pack. It's going to go ahead and pop up whatever folder you were in last. In this case it was my shaders pack. I'm going to go ahead and punch in where that temporary world data pack folder is at. Go ahead and hit save, and there we go. Now if we go back into Minecraft, we'll have that data pack available to load into our Minecraft world. Go ahead and slide that over to the right, showing that it is now selected. Go ahead and hit done, and we have loaded the data pack into the world. At this point we can go ahead and call this whatever we want. You know, this is a YouTube example, so we can go ahead and YouTube video, and we can go ahead and I'm going to allow cheats for this example. That way we can go into the world, create it, set ourselves in creative, and kind of fly around a little bit, take a look at what this data pack offers if you guys are interested in that really quickly. In this case, because we're loading data packs, it's often, you're going to get this message regardless of what data pack you use, because it's adding experimental settings or adjusting the world itself from vanilla to something else. So you can go ahead and hit proceed right here and go on through. Now I'm going to go ahead and speed this process up. Okay, we've loaded into the terrain, and here we are in this beautiful, beautiful data pack. But wait, our world's not changed, right? Well, that is because the data pack that we loaded only changes the Nether, right? So what we want to do here is we can see here on the bottom left-hand side that it has loaded. If you didn't have this pop up, you could always do, let's see here, data pack space list. So here in this example, we want to do / data pack space list, and it's going to give you a list of all the data packs that are currently loaded on your world. In this case, we have the Insidium loaded. Now this is going to alter our Nether. So in this, we want to go ahead and set ourselves in the game mode, go ahead and go into creative, give ourselves some obsidian, and go ahead and pop this open. Whoop. Wow, this shader pack looks pretty nice, huh? Okay. We're going to go ahead and make our Nether portal, get a flint and steel, go ahead and pop that open, load into the Nether. Couple different looking areas, right? Let's go ahead and take a look around what we can see right away. And we can see here that we've got the achievement for the Insidium, and we got the regular one that we are going into the Nether itself, and we're visiting one of the biomes that was generated from this data pack already. This is one of the newer biomes, the inverted forest. We can kind of see as we take a peek around that there's inverted trees, warped trees. So here's one of the biomes that the Insidium data pack. There we go. This is how to load Insidium on your single player world with data packs. Now, how would you go about loading the data pack onto an existing world? So we're going to go ahead, log out of that current YouTube video data pack world that we created. This is the world right here where we don't have any data packs loaded. And in this case, you would go into edit, you would go ahead and select open your world folder, go into your data packs, go ahead and copy the link there to that data pack, go back to where you downloaded your data pack. You can load it, you can move it from your existing world. But in this case, I'm just going to go ahead and download it once again, and it's going to go ahead and be downloaded. Jumping back over here, we can go into that folder and just verify that it is there. Yes, it is. We can go ahead and exit out of there. Folder, go ahead and select save. And then we can go ahead and load into the world. You can see here that it's given us the exact same issue. It's given us the exact same message here that this is an experimental settings. Go ahead, you can either create a backup. You know, it's recommended if you're loading this into an existing world, go ahead and create a backup and load. But I'm going to go ahead and select, I know what I'm doing. This is all for an example here on YouTube. This one loads a little bit faster because it's an existing world. And there we go. On the bottom left hand side, we can see that the Obsidian has been loaded. So if I go in here and type in Obsidian and get myself a flint right here, we can go ahead and jump back down, create ourselves a portal. We should be able to load, you know, we already know that the data pack is loaded because we got that notification there on the bottom. But in this case, you know, I want to go ahead and check it. Whoop, how did I miss that? So if I load it into the Nether right there, we can go ahead and see once again that this was an existing world already. All we did was load the data pack into there. We should get a couple achievements. So as we kind of fly around here, we can see that when we got in here, we got the Insidium achievement, and we also entered into one of the Insidium biomes. So that is how to load the data pack onto your single player existing world. Now, how to load the data pack onto your Minecraft server. So in this case, I have a Minecraft server. Let's go ahead and load that up. Okay, now I have a Minecraft 1.18.2 server. We set this up in one of our prior videos. If you guys are interested in how to set up your very own 1.18.2 Minecraft server completely for free, you can host for your friends and yourself, go check out that video. But here we're going to go ahead, log into or load up our server files, go into the world folder. Now in this case, we can see that this world is already pre-generated. Anytime you start up your Minecraft server, it's going to load up the initial files. It's going to load up your world, your nether, your end, along with the other server files. So because we want to load this into a fresh server, we want to go ahead and load this into the data packs. Now, if you were just kind of throw this in here as it is right now, start up your world, whatever you have right now in the world, and you could do this right with Insidium because it only affects your nether. You can go in here and delete your nether. Right, you could go ahead and delete the nether overall. But if you had a data pack that affected your world overall and you weren't afraid to kind of start it over, and what you would want to do is delete all, whoops, you would want to delete everything besides your data pack folder. You know, everything besides your data pack folder is what you would want to delete. So if you loaded something that changed your world itself, the overworld, you would want to load the data pack folder in there. Inside of the data pack, leave that as the only folder within there and start up your Minecraft server again. So in this case, we're going to go ahead and kickstart our Minecraft 1.18.2 server. It's going to go ahead and load through the whole process here, verify that we have Java 17, and it's going to pick up that data pack right there. Data pack has been found. It's also recreating our world folder. It's recreating our nether folder because I deleted these out. We should see that all regenerate here. We pop back in here. We can see that the world files are being recreated. Eventually, we should see that the nether folder there has been recreated. We can see here it's preparing the regions for the end, the nether, the overworld. So all those files are being generated right now. So now I can dive into here, go ahead and proceed. Log into my local server now because it's hosted here locally. So give it just a few seconds here and bam, we have logged into our Minecraft server, and we can kind of see here, very nice open all. On the bottom left hand side, we can see that the Insidium has been loaded in. I am not an operator, so I can't just go ahead and, set myself into game mode, but I can quickly adjust this by going over here and typing op unchallenge. Once I have done that, I can go ahead and set myself into game mode creative. Go ahead and load up my obsidians once again, get my flint, and we can go ahead and log into the Nether once again. Actually, I'm just going to go ahead and go like this. Needs to stay like that. So now as we dive into our Nether on this Minecraft server now, we popped in. We can see here that we are getting the Incendium data pack message that we've kind of loaded in. Okay, we saw that this data pack was loaded. We are actually in the Nether, right? So let's go ahead and complete our video. So in this video, we went over four things, right? We went ahead and located the data pack that we wanted to load into our single player or Minecraft server. Number 2, we added the data pack to our single player. Number 3, we added the data pack to an existing Minecraft world on single player. And number 4, we added the data pack to our Minecraft server. Now, this doesn't affect the overworld, so if you had this already loaded, you were already playing on an existing world and only wanted to alter the Nether. In this case, the Incendium pack would be fine. You load that into your world data folder, delete the Nether if you guys don't mind having that removed, and then go ahead and start up, log into the Nether as you otherwise would. So that is going to be it for this video. Appreciate everyone tuning in today. If you guys have any comments or questions, suggestions for upcoming videos, definitely let me know down in the comment section below. Really appreciate everyone hanging out today. And of course, I do stream every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday here on the channel. So definitely go down below, hit the red button to subscribe, make it gray, hit the bell to be notified every time I release a brand new video. And of course, give this video a thumbs up, make it blue. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.